Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create a schema, review schema for your WordPress, on your WordPress for your review posts or review pages. Okay, so we already know what schema is. If you're watching this video, you already know the benefit of schema. It's more like I call it Google Love Language. Okay, Google Love Language more like helps Google to understand what your page is all about, and in return it will rank you higher. So let's say you have a couple of posts, like for instance, this is my website here. So we have ClickFunnels versus Kajabi, ClickFunnels versus Go High Level, how to use Google Trend, blah, 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 Go High Level review, and a lot of things like that. So how do we differentiate what this post is? Because by default, Google associate most website posts or most website pages as article. But how do we differentiate between articles and reviews and how to events, books, and product pages and all that, right? So that is what a schema does for you. So quickly, let me show you how to do that. So this is a post I have. Like I published this post over a month, 2 months ago actually. So it's Go High Level AI Employee Review. So let me open up. Oops, what am I doing? So let me open up this and add a schema and show you how to go about schema. I will show you how to add the schema, show you how to validate the schema for errors. Okay, so errors wouldn't show on your Google Search Console. So here I am in the post here. As you can see, this is more like a pretty standard software or whatever review. All right, so this is the post I'll be writing. I'll be producing a review for. So I use first of all I use RankMath. So if you don't have a RankMath, so or probably you have Yoast, or maybe you have another WordPress SEO tool. So this still works, but you don't have any. If you don't have WordPress SEO plugin on your website, that is still fine. You can actually still put your schema markup in the head section of your page, which means you need to have a head plugin, head and footer WordPress plugin. Okay, so if you have RankMath, Yoast, or whatever, it's still kind of the same. So I'm using RankMath, so I click here. As you can see, by default, this most all SEO tools will give you like we embed a schema, a general schema for you on your post, right? So for instance, we have the schema that I use on my own general post is the article schema, but this is not just an article, this is a review article. Okay, so I'm going to be adding a review schema to this. So once you come here, you click on schema generator, you come here. So this is a schema in use. So if you like to add a review here, you can select a product to actually add a review article, because this one doesn't have RankMath doesn't have a review what do you call it, review schema here. As you can see, we don't have probably a service or a software. This is more like a software, right? And so we can click on this. As you can see, this is basically a lot of things to. It could be overwhelming, actually. It could be overwhelming. So how I would do this, let me show you how I would do this. Is I'll just use schema markup generator online. So you can go to Google and search for schema markup generator. You're going to see technical SEO schema generator here. So you need to like put up the the review here. So as you can see, we have we have product of our product, right? So you can start putting your product. Again, this is more like another pain in the ass. So the way I would do this is just use ChatGPT, right? So let me just use ChatGPT and copy the name of the post. I need you to help me generate a schema markup for my post on Go High Level AI review. My post on Go High Level AI review. So let me just take the main keyword here. My post on Go High Level review. Okay, so generate a review. I actually need a review schema, right? So a review schema. So let me just do this. So what I would do is, oops, I totally forgot to get the URL of the website. URL of the, let me get the URL. Okay, it's creating a schema. Okay, so let's give it a couple of seconds, and it's going to generate the review for us. So as you can see, we have our review here. Go ahead, level AI employee review. So this is the review. This is okay. Replace on the says hands on the review body. So I would actually like to remove this positive note and negative note. It is not necessary for me. I don't think it's necessary. All right. Please remove the positive and negative note. Also, here is the page URL, and here is the image. So let's see. Let me copy the image. So it's down here. All right. So let's see what we have here. Okay, so let's see what we have. So I don't want this. So this is the rating. Let's see, brand, go high level. Okay, nice. Name, software application. I think software application, we need to add a price, but I don't know. But let's see. Okay. Image, hands-on review of go high level employee. Okay. Do we need this review body? I don't know if it's necessary, but do we need to add review body? Let's see what you have. Okay, review body, your written evaluation or review ratings, You're basically just leaving the star. Okay. So let me leave the review body. Okay. So next, we have our schema here. We have our schema. So let's go back to our RankMath schema configuration here. So here, this schema. So because we don't want to start from scratch. So what we do is just click on import and then click on JSON here. Then you put all the JSON here. Okay. So this is it here. All right. So what else? Software application. Okay. Name, go high level AI employee. Okay. Category, business application, web, brand. Okay. Type brand, go high level. Okay. Good one. And okay, review rating 4.6. Saves. Okay. These appointments, leave qualification. Okay. Good. So what now? Let's process the code. So yeah, it's processed to be let's use this. So that's it. We have so let's I need to rewrite this review body. Or you know what? Let me oops. What did I just do? I just canceled the review. Oh my god, let me put this again. Okay, yeah. So process, use, all right, and yeah, that's it. Save for post. So we've added a review rating to this site, to this page. So this is schema. How do you validate this? So first of all, let's validate this. We've not saved yet, right? So you go to use schema markup validator here. You open it up and you validate the URL to make sure if the review is there or not. Let's see what we have here. So as you can see, we don't have any review schema here. There's nothing like a review schema, nothing here. Just this is just blog, nothing. This is just ordinary. This thing here is not nothing there. All right. So let us save the changes and let's validate again. All right. Yeah. So we've saved. So let's go again. Run a new test. So let us run the test one more time here. Let's see. So as you can see, now we have a review. So we validated this, and we have a review. Unfortunately, we have a warning sign here, which is one warning. Let's see what the warning is. So this is why it's very, very important to validate your schema before you exit the page or whatever. The property brand is not recognized by the schema, e.g. da 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 da. So I have an error. So let me just use ChatGPT. AI makes everything so easy, right? So I'm having an error when I validate this schema like this. So you are okay. So the property is used for software apps. So publisher is provided. Okay. So interchangeably. So instead of blah 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 blah, here's a fixed schema. Okay. So the schema has been fixed for us, right? So let's copy the code. So you can just replace this organization with Go High Level, but for posterity's sake, let's just remove this. Let's just delete and use a new schema. Let's just do it one more time just to show you. So as you can see, this is another one here. Okay, good one. So organization is okay. Process, use. Okay, so save for the post. So let's save one more time and let's validate again. So you can validate as many times as possible. The Schema Markup Validator is free to use, so we don't need to be scared or we're running out of credit, unlike most SEO tools. So let's see what we have. Let's see. Okay, so we don't have anyone in Voila. So yeah, I hope you find this. Very helpful. And if you want more videos like this, please drop it in the comment. If you have any question about adding schema to your WordPress pages, please drop it in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. All right. So see you guys in the next one.